Books. Books. I got books. I got books. I stumble over books. Books falling. I have books everywhere. I got books about books. And then came ebooks. Now I have books in my inbox. I have books in my download folder. I have books in the Gutenberg project. I have Google Books. I have books in my Nook vault. I have books in my Kindle vault. I have books in my Adobe vault. Then I found Calibre. This program recognizes every ebook format ever. And it can load any e-reader device ever. Then, now, ever. I don't want to raise the ire of the men in black helicopters discussing digital rights management and how to get an ebook out of your Nook vault or your Kindle vault. That's what the internet's for.
Calibre's UI is not quite standard Windows. Darn foreigners. Here's the database. The database can be presented in sequence by author or title. What's more, the title and author can be edited so that all the authors' names look the same and the titles sort correctly. We do this by edit metadata. We can change the title. Here's how it's going to look. And or author. We can also change publisher, the date it's published, languages, the ISBN number, or tags. As we continue to look across the top, you can add books to the library, either from a single directory, the assumption being that there's only one book in that directory with different formats. You can add directories from directories including subdirectories, or you can add books from directories and subdirectories assuming multiple books per directory. You can add an empty book. We can convert book formats, either individually or a large group at a time. This is Calibre's own e-reader. Calibre has an excellent help. Here is how you can remove books from the library. This is where you can do library maintenance. This allows you to select books and save them to disks. Connect and share we'll get to in a minute. And in many cases, the preferences is hidden if you're not aware of this little set of double arrows. If you want to change how the inner workings of Calibre work, look and feel its behavior, adding your own columns to the database, you can make changes to the toolbar, rules for importing and exporting. You will need to use preferences if you set Calibre up to serve iTunes. So let's move a couple of books to iTunes. First we go to Connect Share and click on the entry Connect to iTunes. You'll notice now we have the iTunes device in the top menu. Calibre will even show me what books are currently in my media library. Catch me if you can. A couple of Orson card books, The Enders, the Ender game series. So let's move a couple of books. How about Robert London, The Bourne Identity? And Machiavelli's The Prince. All we have to do is go to the top menu bar, click Send to Device. Let's remove the magnifier. Let's go to iTunes. There's The Bourne Identity.